Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto OnChain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Video game TapCoin Daily Bounty Card Combo, January 30th, 2025, play, earn, and win big. Money bag fire. Are you ready to turn your gaming time into real rewards? TapCoin is revolutionizing the play-to-earn P2E space, bringing together fun, strategy, and blockchain technology in a seamless, rewarding experience. Whether you're a casual gamer or a crypto enthusiast, TapCoin's Daily Bounty Card Combo gives you a chance to win up to 100,000 coins every single day. With over 8 million active users, TapCoin is making waves in the blockchain gaming industry, thanks to its easy-to-use interface, deep integration with Telegram, and exciting ways to earn. Built on the TAPCOin blockchain, it allows users to earn, trade, and spend digital assets in a fun and interactive way. If you love hamster combat, gems, or X-Empire, then TapCoin is your next big gaming obsession. It's not just a game, it's an opportunity to explore Web3 technology, earn crypto rewards, and unlock exclusive bonuses every day. Rocket, what is TapCoin and how does it work? TapCoin is a blockchain-based gaming and earning platform designed for players who want to earn rewards while having fun. It offers a variety of mini-games, challenges, and daily tasks that allow users to collect TapCoins, which can be exchanged for real-world rewards, cryptocurrencies, or even cash. Directed key features of TapCoin. White heavy checkmark, user-friendly and accessible. No complicated setups. Simply tap and earn. White heavy checkmark, seamless Telegram integration. Play directly through Telegram for easy access. White heavy checkmark, daily challenges and tasks. Complete activities to earn more coins. White heavy checkmark bounty card combo. A fun, lottery-style game where you can win big rewards. White heavy checkmark TAPCOin blockchain powered. Enjoy secure, fast, and transparent transactions. Fire, how to get started with TapCoin. It only takes a few steps to start earning with TapCoin. Follow this quick guide. Keycap 1, download the TapCoin app. Inbox tray, head to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and download the TapCoin app. Keycap 2, sign up and set up your account. Small blue diamond, register using your email, Google, or Telegram account. Small blue diamond, secure your account and explore the main dashboard. Keycap 3, explore and start earning. Video game, browse through different games, tasks, and reward opportunities. Wrap gift, participate in special deals, bonuses, and daily reward events. Keycap 4, use the TapCoin Daily Combo feature. Lightbulb, check out the Daily Bounty Card Combo to maximize your earnings. Keycap 5, redeem and withdraw your earnings. Moneybag, use your collected TapCoins to purchase items, exchange for crypto, or cash out your winnings. Trophy, TapCoin Daily Combo, your ticket to winning big. One of TapCoin's most exciting features is the Daily Combo, also known as the Daily Bounty. This is a fun, strategic way to boost your earnings by selecting bounty cards for a chance to win up to 100,000 coins. Game die, how the TapCoin Daily Bounty works. Small blue diamond, every day, a new set of bounty cards becomes available. Small blue diamond, choose your cards wisely and test your luck. Small blue diamond, use in-app hints to improve your odds of winning. Small blue diamond, submit your choices and wait for the results. Small blue diamond, if you win, your coins will be automatically credited to your TapCoin account. Party popper, why should you play the Daily Bounty? Heavy checkmark, no risk, only rewards. You're playing for free with a chance to win. Heavy checkmark, boost your earnings. Earn significantly more coins than regular tasks. Heavy checkmark, daily opportunities. A new chance every single day. Heavy checkmark, easy and fun. No complex strategies. Just tap, pick, and win. Calendar, TapCoin Daily Bounty, January 30th, 2025. Police car light coming soon. Stay tuned. Police car light will reveal the details of the January 30th, 2025 daily bounty soon, so keep checking back. Don't miss your chance to win big and increase your TapCoin stash. Light bulb pro tips to maximize your TapCoin earnings. Want to increase your chances of winning and earn more TapCoins? Here are some expert tips to help you get ahead. Small blue diamond check-in daily. The more you play, the better your odds. Small blue diamond complete other in-app tasks. Earn bonus coins alongside your bounty winnings. Small blue diamond use available hints wisely. Make informed choices when selecting bounty cards. Small blue diamond follow TapCoin's social media and Telegram channels. Stay updated on special promotions and secret rewards. Small blue diamond refer your friends. Get extra coins by inviting others to join TapCoin. Moneybag how to withdraw your TapCoins. One of the best parts about TapCoin is that you can redeem your earnings for real rewards. Here's how. Keycap 1 go to your wallet in the TapCoin app. Keycap 2 check your balance and select the withdrawal option. Keycap 3 choose your preferred method, convert to crypto, redeem gift cards, or cash out. Keycap 4 confirm the transaction and enjoy your rewards. Heavy checkmark fast, secure, and hassle-free withdrawals. Video game why TapCoin is the future of play-to-earn gaming. TapCoin isn't just another blockchain game, it's a gateway to financial freedom for gamers worldwide. With its simple interface, rewarding features, and innovative gameplay, it's reshaping the way we think about gaming and digital assets. Rocket instant earnings, no waiting, just tap and earn. Globe showing Europe Africa global community. Join millions of gamers worldwide. Locked with key secure transactions, built on the trusted TON blockchain. If you haven't joined TapCoin yet, what are you waiting for? Download the app, start playing, and start earning today. Party Popper. Direct hit final thoughts. TapCoin is more than just a game, it's an opportunity. Whether you want to have fun, explore blockchain technology, or earn extra income, this platform offers endless possibilities. The daily bounty card combo is just one of the many ways you can win big and boost your earnings effortlessly.